Okay, so this is the outcome of the summer beachwear outfit. So yeah. So this is the outcome. This one you can wear this one to the beach. You can wear this to the resort. You can take it on vacation if you want to leave out something. And yes. Hi everyone, welcome back. Um, to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Cat Queen. So in today's video I'm going to be making a very simple dress. So I don't know how the bra gonna be like, but first let's draw a picture of how this whole thing that I'm thinking in my head gonna look like. But I want the bra to be like this. Okay, so now in this video what we're gonna be needing, yarn. And this was from the dollar store. Like, it was for like so long. When I say so long. And I'm going to be using, this is 3.5mm hook, and this is 4.5mm hook, scissors, of course, my tape and measure and stitch markers, and of course I'm going to get like the circle. I need the circle. Let me go find it. All right, so we are going to be using this ring, and it's match. So let's start with a 3.5mm hook. I'm going to start by making the bra. So this is a medium. It looks like a cotton, but it's not. It's acrylic. So let's make a slip knot. We're going to be making a bra. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we're gonna yarn over, count 1, 2, 3, and bring it to the fourth space. You make your double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, make a double crochet. So we're going to be making double crochet all the way down until we reach to the end. So now I'm at the end. I'm gonna place one there. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna chain 1, 2, turn my work, then skip this one, come to the next, yarn over, come to the next, chain 1, yarn over, sorry, come to the next, make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, make a double crochet, come to the next, make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, make a double crochet. So we're gonna make a double crochet until we reach here, yarn over, so I'm gonna place 1 in here. So now I'm gonna place 2 in here, make a double crochet, 1, yarn over, in the same space, make a double crochet, chain 1 and 2, yarn over, place 2 double crochet in it, then place another 1 more, so it's 5, yarn over, come to this on top of here, make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, you make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next, make a double crochet. So we're going to be doing double crochet all the way here. You chain 2, turn your work, you come here again, in here you place 3 double crochet, chain 2, then place another 2 double crochet in the space, then you continue, so you keep going in, keep going out. Okay, so now I'm at the top. I'm gonna place 3 double crochet in here, then place 1 more, another 1 more, then chain 2, 1 and 2, yarn over, place another double crochet, another double crochet, which is 2. So now we have 5, yarn over, we'll come to the next, right on top of here, we'll make a double crochet, on top of here we'll make another double crochet, we'll go on top of here, we'll make another double crochet, go again on top of here, make another double crochet, and on top of here make another double crochet. So we're gonna go all the way down, turn our work, we repeat the same pattern in the middle here, then go down until we get about 8 rows. So you count your rows from here, and that way you count that way. Okay, so now I'm done with my 8 rows. This is how it looks like. So I'm gonna make 1 more of this, but first I'm gonna just cut this. I'm just gonna cut this out because I'm done with it. So, and pull. So I'm gonna do 1 more of this. Okay, so now I'm at the other bra cup. So now what I'm going to do is, instead of me continuing down, I'm going to join. I'm going to try to join this to the other one in here. So I'm going to cross it in here and slip stitch. So that's 1, then I'm going to chain another 1, yarn over, and come in here and make my double crochet. So now it's in there. So now I'm going to make my other double crochet. So I'm going to continue with the remaining double crochet all the way at the end. So this is my good side. No, this right here is my good sides, and this is the wrong side. So now I'm going to continue to work towards the end. Okay, so now I'm gonna chain 2 again. So now if you like, you can put a stitch marker. So now I'm going to start to work on this area here, this side, to connect. So I'm going to be so I'm just gonna cut this out, chain 1, then cut out this. I'm gonna cut this out. So I'm going to start, 1 second, let me see something. Okay, so now I'm going to start on this side right here. So I'm going to start from here because this want to go that way. This is from my left hand side. So I'm going to start by making my slip knot, then pull, chain 1, then chain 2, yarn over, come to the next one, no, chain 1 more, come to the next one and make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next one and make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next one, make a double crochet, yarn over, come to the next one, make a double crochet. So now I have like 5 here. The first one is counted, so I'm just gonna make it 6, so it can be equal. So it can be equal. So I have 6, 2, 4, 6. So I'm gonna chain 1 and 2, turn my work, yarn over, come to this next space, make a double crochet, yarn over, make a double crochet, yarn over, make another double crochet, yarn over. I don't want this thing. Okay, make another double crochet, yarn over, come to the edge, you make another double crochet. So we're going to be making a double crochet. I will show you how much I make, then we'll take it from there. Okay, so now I'm done with the length that I made. So from here, from up here to down here is 9.5. So I even forgot to take a measurement of those bra cups. Oh my god, I was just going according to the numbers. My bad. So for my bra cups, for the width from here to here is 7.5, then the length from up here to down here is 9 inches. So now I'm gonna bring this in to connect it. So I'm gonna chain one more. So I'm gonna pull up my yarn, chain 1, I'm gonna join this together. I'm gonna go in here and slip stitch, no, instead of slip stitch, which has given me 2. So now I've connected it. I'm gonna go in here and pull, and make a chain. I'm gonna go again in here. I'm gonna go again in here, slide it in, and make a chain. I'm gonna go to the next one and pull up the yarn and make a chain. I'm gonna go again to the next one and pull and make a chain. So now this is how it looks like. This one is a little bit slack, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go one more in here to the edge, and pull and make a chain. So now this is how it looks like. I don't know if I did it right. Okay. So if you like, you can just continue by making this all around, but if you don't want to, you cannot. But if you want to, you can just cover up the whole thing by making a single crochet. Go again, a few more. Then go one more. Then I'm gonna slip stitch inside here, then pull. So far, I'm gonna do one more in here so I can close up a bit. So So now I'm just gonna slip stitch in here and make a chain. So now this is how it looks like, because this is gonna connect to the other part that I'm going to make. So now I'm just gonna make for my waist, I'm gonna make a chain. I'm gonna make sure you make enough chain for your waist size, because you're gonna be rounding this and connect it to this one. So now let's go. 1, okay guys, I made a huge mistake. So my hook has broken, this plastic hook. So I need to reduce this to this one to bring it down here. So we're going to redo everything again all over. So I reduce it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. So now what I'm going to do, okay, so now I finished making my chains. So I'm going to measure my waist size from here to this is my waist size, 36. So now make sure it's straight when you're joining it. So I'm going to join this one and connect it to this one here, not up there but inside here. I'm going to connect it and slip stitch, then chain 1. Let me make sure it's tight, then chain 1. So now I'm going to cut out this one and pull. So I've attached this one to this one. So now we're going to divide this into 2. Okay, so now I've already got my side part. I wanted to give it a back split, but front will be nicer more since the design is at the front, so it will be nicer, like really nice. So now we're gonna start. I'm just gonna take this one out. We're going to start. Make sure your rope is straight, because I'm going to start from this point here. I'm going to insert my hook. Make a slip knot, slip it in, make a chain. I'm gonna go back in there to the next one and slip knot. So I'm gonna chain 5 up. So 5, yarn over, skip 2, come to the third one and make your double crochet. Chain 1 and 2, yarn over, skip 2, 1, 1, 2, and come to the third and make your double crochet. Chain 1 and 2, yarn over, skip 2, and come to the next. Chain 1, 2, yarn over, skip 2, and come to the next. So let's do this pattern until we reach here, then I'll show you guys what to do next. I'm coming towards the circle. We're going to be working on top of the circle too. 1, 2, yarn over, yarn over, skip 2, then come up here, chain 2 again. You still count your 2 chains, 1, 2, then I'm gonna go underneath this one and make my double crochet. Chain 2 again, yarn over, skip 2, come to the third stitch, then make my double crochet, 1 2, yarn over, skip 2, come to the third and make my double crochet, 1 2, come skip 2, come to the next one, make my double crochet. So this is how we're gonna be doing it. Chain 2, yarn over, skip 2, come to the next, make my double crochet. Made my 2 stitch, so I'm going to be removing this stitch marker. So be careful when you are going around your rounds, so you cannot be tangled on your end, okay? So I'm gonna go in here, make my double crochet. So I'm gonna chain 2, 1 and 2, then I'm going to slip stitch on top of this one, slip stitch on top of this one, chain 1 2 3. So now if you do like this, if you do like this, connected, it's all equal because this one is part of it. So like this. So now you slip stitch on top of this one, the third one, then you make your chain 1 and 3. So now this is all equal. Okay, so now we're going to be going on this side. So whenever you finish your rounds, you always end up on this side. So now we're going to take it to the other way. Turn our work. You might see your work hooking, but it's not. As you go down, you will understand more. So now focus on this second part, okay? So we have 3 crochet up. We're going to add 1, which is 4, yarn over. So yarn over, we're going to place 2 double crochet in here, 1 and 2, then yarn over, we'll place another 2 double crochet. Now we're going to chain 1, yarn over, place 2 double crochet and another 2 double crochet. You chain 1 again, yarn over, place 2 double crochet in here, then yarn over, place another 2 double crochet. So we're going to be placing 2 double crochet in each space until we reach to the end. Go ahead and do that. Don't forget 2 double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, place another 2 double crochet in this empty space, then you chain 1, yarn over, place 2 double crochet in the next space. So keep doing that. This is how your work's supposed to be looking until we reach here. Then we're going to change again to another pattern. Okay, so now I'm coming towards the circle, so we're going to be working again the same pattern and same way. On top of it, 2 stitch up here, chain 1, go on top to the next one, make a double crochet, make another double crochet in the same space, chain 1. I just wanted to show you guys the circle. It's the same pattern and everything. Okay, so let's continue our work until we reach to the end point here, then I'll show you guys what to do next. I'm at the end, so I already make chain 1. I'm gonna do I'm just gonna make another chain 2, then slip stitch on the third, then make a chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn my work around. So now I'm going to chain 1 in here, then chain 1 and 2, yarn over, go inside of here and make a double crochet. So you see it, and make a chain 4, make a single crochet, chain 2, then make a double crochet, sorry. So I'm going to chain 2 again, yarn over, and make a double crochet in the empty spaces, chain 2, yarn over, make a double crochet, chain 2. So it's just like you making an opposite, bringing the patterns together. Go again in the next space. So this is how it's supposed to be looking. Then in the other row, we're going to be doing 2 double crochet in the same space. Then okay, so now we are going to increase. So I'm going to show you guys how to increase. So I'm going to turn my work. So we are on the 7th row. So I'm going to place my double crochet in here, chain 1 and 2, yarn over, come to this next, chain 1 and 2, come to the next, chain 1 and 2, come to the next, chain 1 and 2, come to the next. So now this is 10. If you count, this first one is not counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now in this 10, I'm going to chain 1 and 2. I'm going to yarn over and place another double crochet in the same space. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, yarn over, come to the next one. So after you go after 10, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 10, so I'm going to chain 2, go back in the same space. So after 10 double crochet stitches, you double crochet on the 10th. So now I'm going to keep going until I reach here. After 10, making 10, I double crochet where the 10th stop. I double crochet 2 times. So I'm only going to do this 1 time. Then on the next row, I'm going to just do a freehand stitches. Then on the other one, you have to measure your hip though. If you measure your hip, you have to measure your waist to go down your hip, so that you know what exactly what you are doing. So you have to measure, because I don't want it to be too open. So from here, 21, so 21. So by the time I reach here, I'm only going to increase on this row. Then the next one is just regular row. Okay, so now this is where I did a double crochet 2 times. This is where I increase. So I'm going to place my 2 double crochet in there. Then chain 1, 2, come to the next one, place my double crochet, 1, 2, go to the next one, place my double crochet, chain 2, come to the next, place my double crochet. So this is how I'm gonna keep going until I increase on each. Then I start, this is my regular rows now that I'm doing. I'm just filling in the double spaces. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be decreasing, because we're going to do decrease. This side right here is going to be long, then this side right here is going to be short. I don't even know how to describe it. But anyway, I'm going to turn my work. I'm going to show you guys how to decrease. Now that I'm recording, I forgot what to say. Okay, so now this is 4 chain up. I'm going to be decreasing, or maybe I can just leave it like that. Okay, I'm gonna decrease. Instead of me coming in here, I'm just gonna go to the next one. Make a 2 chain. So I already decreased. I skipped this one and come to the next. Okay, so now I already decreased on this side, so I'm just gonna go around. When I reach here, I'm gonna turn my work again, then decrease again. I'm gonna show you when I get here. So now, because one side gonna be long and the other side gonna be short, so now what I do is I chain 1 up here. I'm gonna yarn over. Instead of me slip stitching on top of this, remember we already decreased on this first place, so I'm just gonna put 1 up here and make a double crochet, excuse me, chain 1 2 3. I'm going to turn my work. I'm going to turn my work and I'm going to skip in here and just come to the next one and make my double crochet, make my other double crochet, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, put 2 in here, 2 in here, chain 1, come back in here. So now after we reach here, we're gonna be working on this side because we're gonna be decreasing until it's hard to explain, but let's just keep going. It's hard to explain, but let's just keep going. So when we reach here again, we are going to decrease. I think this is the only way I can decrease towards it. Yeah, okay. 2 in here, chain 1, just tie it. So I'm gonna go. When I reach here again, I'll let you guys know what to do. I'm just gonna do like this, yarn over, come in here, make my half double crochet, then yarn over, then take a tip from here so that it can be straight. Yes, a tip from there, then make a then yarn over, pull out 2, then yarn over, pull out the other 2, then yarn over, then pull out 3. So this is how it looks like. So now we're gonna yarn chain 1, 2. I know. Turn my work. So now 2. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to skip this. This is 3. I'm going to skip this one, yarn over, and come to this one and make a double crochet. Chain 2, make a double crochet, 1 and 2, make a double crochet on the next one. So I am going to be making you know what, so I'm going to be decreasing on this one too. So this is 3 chain, yarn over, I'm gonna go in here, then yarn over, come to this next one and make and decrease. So I've already decreased here, so I'm gonna chain 1, yarn over, come to this next one and make my double crochet, chain 1, chain 2, make my double crochet. So now you're going to be decreasing on both sides until you reach to the last, maybe the last drop. It depends on your yarn. So I'm going to be decreasing on here, I'm going to be decreasing on here. How you decreasing is how this is how it goes. You keep going, you keep going, and you keep going. So go ahead and do that. Then when we reach to the last drop, then I'll tell you guys what to do next. Don't forget, decrease here, decrease on the side. Okay, so now I'm running out of yarn, so this is the one that remains. So I wanted it to be really long, but the yarn is not enough. So now I'm just gonna stop for now on this side. So this is how it looks like so far. I'm gonna stop, then I'm just gonna continue, try to make like the strings for the top part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. This is 3.5, which is the same as the other one that I was using. So I'm just gonna use the other side of the yarn and try to finish my work. So I'm going to start from up here. I'm going to start from up here. So I'm going to be making single crochet all the way around. So I'm going to start from here. I'm going to go in here, make a slip knot, and pull, make a chain. I'm going to tie these two together so they can be bodies. So now I'm going to chain 1 again. No, I'm going to go into the next place and pull out and slip stitch. I'm going to be slip stitching. So now I'm going to be making single crochet all the way around. So at the beginning I made a mistake. I should have done it so it can look like normal like this, but it's too late now, so I'm just going to work on top of it all the same. It's too late, but anyway. So I'm going to be doing single slip stitch. I'm going to be slip stitching on top of this. Look, I don't want it to be too bump. I might use something to cover it up, I don't know, but anyway. So now I'm just going to take it from here. I'm just going to go in here and slip stitch again. So now I'm just going to work my single crochet all the way around. I'm going to be doing single crochet in each, then into the bumps I'll do single crochet, then go in here, single crochet 2 times, then we skip the bump, then do a single crochet 1, do a single crochet. We're going to be doing single crochet in each spaces 2 times until we reach to here, then I'll let you guys what to do next. Okay, now I'm towards the end, so I'm just going to place 1 more here, then come in here and slip stitch, pull and slip stitch and make a 1. So now I've got the waist size. So now I'm already done with the waist size, so I'm going to use my darning needle to get rid of the excess. Okay, so now let's work on top of, I'm not going to do any stitch on this side, it's just going to stay like that, but I'm just going to work on here. This one I'm going to work on the tube part. I'm going to work on the tube part. I'm going to give it a string. I'm going to start with the string from up here, then after I give it a string, then I do like a single crochet down here and on the other side. So I'm going to work first on this side. I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna work on this side, then after working on the side, then I continue. So but for now I'm going to work on the string. I'm going to make sure I make enough string. I'm going to make sure I work on enough string. So let's make a slip knot, chain 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just work on your chain. Make sure you make enough string to go on top of here, because we're going to be doing a zigzag at the back. Okay, so now I made 210 chain for this part, so I'm just gonna insert this one here on top of this. I'm gonna place it in here and pull. I'm gonna place it in here and pull and slip stitch. So I'm going to slip stitch there. I'm gonna tie it onto this one. So now I'm going to be making single crochet in each space in between these rows. So I'm gonna be making single crochet, single crochet. So go ahead and do that in one and cut this out and pull. I'll be using my stitch marker to get rid of it once and for all.
Finally, I have Robux to buy VIP. And you don't have it. Yes, I do.
AJ, go with 2 books for me.
Okay, at least it's only 2.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna cut the excess out.
AJ!
So this is how it look like. So this,
I got cotton candy!
so the other stitch, I'm gonna do it on the other side, then I connect it to this. I'm gonna get rid of this one also with my stitch marker. So go ahead and do this side, then we're almost at our finish line. Okay, so now I am all done with the top. So this gonna go zigzag. This one going to connect to this one, and this one gonna connect to this one on the side. So I'm gonna place this here, in here, then I'm going to place this one down here. So this is the top part, this is the chest area, then this is the back, then this, you're gonna tie this below towards your waist. So I make it enough chain, I make enough room for the back. So I'm done with this. So whatever remain, I am just going to use whatever remains stitches, which is, oopsie, oh my god, which is this one that's left. So I'm just gonna work on it. Maybe this is gonna give me one row, then that's it. Then I'll be all done with this beach dress. Okay, so now whatever remains, so I'm just gonna be doing single crochet. I'm going to start from up here, go all the way around till I end it here. So I already make a chain 1, so this is gonna be chain 2. So I'm gonna go in here, in between these 2 here, and make a single crochet. I'm gonna go in here, make a single crochet, a single crochet. So I'm gonna be taking the tips of everything, go in here, then go on in between here. So this is how I'm going to be working my single crochet all the way around. Make sure your work is on the good side. I forgot to tell you guys one more thing. If you have more yarn, you can keep going as you wish, but this is where my yarn has left me, and I don't want to add any other yarn on it. So subscribe. Okay, so now I'm at the last point. It's 2 here, then I'm going to slip stitch on the 2 that I started with and chain 1, then pull. So this is what's left. So I'm just going to use my stitch marker and get rid of it. So now if you want to add any accessories like beads or any other kind of like beads, pearls, you can just go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna get rid of this. So far so good. So this is how it looks like. This is gonna go to the side. It's gonna go to the side right here. Then this one stays like this. Go a little bit. This can make a little bumpy because of the ring here. So this stays here and the string. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you make one, please tag me on my Instagram. And also if you post a video on TikTok, you can tag me. It's the same Eagle Styles. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.